Creating welding animal structure from scrap metal is a fascinating way to dive into a welding while being environmentally conscious. You can repurpose old tools, kitchen utensils, bolts, and the other declared metal item into a crafty structure. From a bird to the animal structure, you could use a spoon and discarded metal of body and the fork for the wing. Bending and welding them together to form a bird shape. Smaller metal pieces can be used for detail like beak and the feet. Similar for an animal structure like a dog or cat. You might use large pieces for body and the legs, and the smaller item for facial features. These projects not only improve your welding skills but also turn your waste material into a unique piece of art, making it rewarding and a sustainable hobby, and it will also decrease your carbon footprint. Old washers, nut and bolt can be used to create a beautiful fish. A large washers, eyes, sheet metal rods for body and the wings. Weld these pieces together and add similar details like feeders, claws, and complete the structures. Scrap sheet metal can be cut into a wing shape, decorated with smaller metal pieces from pattern. Weld these wings into a central body made from the metal rod and the metal strap pieces. Bending and shaping the wing can give you a butterfly, dynamic, outdoor, beautiful, hand-cut view and lifelike experience. Use old nut bolts and horseshoes or the pillar from the body and legs of the cat. Smaller strap piece can be used for facial feature like this report and the honeybees. Weld the piece together and bend them into a shape to create a playful and flexible pose. These projects not only enhance your welding skill, but also allow you to turn waste material into a unique piece of art. By reusing scrap metal, you can give it a new life and reduce your carbon footprint. Discarded item and creating something beautiful and sustainable. Happy welding! Each project not only helps you to refine your welding skill, but also contribute to a sustainable practice. By repurposing this material, dive into these fun-filling project and watch your scrap metal and transform into a stunning piece of art.